home with quarantine, we wanted to give you guys a fun, quick, and easy craft that you guys can do. I know everyone's going to be washing their hands a lot, so here's a fun sugar hand scrub that you can do with stuff that you find in your kitchen. So here are the things you're going to want to get out. A cute little jar to put it in to keep in your bathroom next to your sink. A bowl and a spoon to mix. Some measuring things. A teaspoon and a tablespoon. A cup to measure your sugars. And you're going to need 1 cup of white sugar, 1/2 a cup of brown sugar, 1/3 cup of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that your hands are clean before you start mixing. And you're going to want to grab 1 cup of white sugar. And pour it in your bowl. And then you're going to want to grab 1/2 cup of brown sugar. And with all your sugar in your bowl, you can start mixing. Once your sugar is pretty mixed together, you can grab 1/3 cup of coconut oil.
Carol, say hi to Emily.
Hi, Emily. And 1/3 cup of coconut oil. I have a teaspoon, so I'm gonna need, or a tablespoon, sorry. I'm gonna need 5 of these. And this is really good for you to exfoliate and get all the germs off your hands whenever you're washing your hands at home. You can also use it in the shower. It's good for all kinds of stuff and it smells really good. So you'll want to mix the coconut oil into your sugar. And if you don't have coconut oil, any other kind will work too. You can also make this your own by adding different types of sugars or different extracts. You can add essential oils. Break up all the coconut oil, mix it together.
Carol, people want to know if you can use the kind of coconut oil that stays liquefied.
Yes, you can. It makes it a lot easier. This one's kind of hard, so you got to mix it until it melts a little bit. But it's probably easier if you use the kind that's already liquefied. So once it's all mixed together like this, you'll want to add your 1/3 cup of coconut oil, or of, sorry, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Make sure the coconut oil is off of it. Here's your cocoa powder. And then you'll want to mix that up. And this recipe makes a lot too, so you can always do half of it or more if you have a big family at home. And then you're going to need 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pour it in here. And then mix that up. And I added a little too much sugar, so I'm gonna add a little more vanilla. then once it's all mixed up in your bowl, you can start adding it to your jar. And afterwards, I like to pat it down. And if you have kids at home, if you have jars like this, everyone could get markers and stuff and make cute little designs on the outside of your jars to put next to your sink. And put your lid on. And there's your sugar hand spray.